Hi guys, welcome back for another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm showing you a new recipe, some of which are my HelloFresh meals because they're so awesome. So this one is baked Mediterranean veggies. I do get the vegetarian meals just because they're so good, and I love vegetables. I eat every kind of vegetable possible, and I eat meat, but I'm not too much of a fan of meat, so these meals are right up my alley. So you always start by washing your produce, chopping everything up. So I'm cutting the stalks off my asparagus, and then I'm going to cut them in about 2-inch pieces and set those aside. I also put some water in a pot, and I'm going to add some vegetable stock, and I'm going to heat that up, get it simmering. Then I added some tomatoes, my asparagus, some garlic, and half of my thyme. And I preheated my oven already. I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil, salt and pepper, shake it around, mix it up, and put that in the oven. And what's awesome is HelloFresh actually has all the recipes online, so I'm going to link this one below in case you want to follow along at home. You don't have to have the subscription to do the recipes. So while all that is heating up and cooking, I went back to the green onions, and I love these kitchen scissors. I use them to chop meat, vegetables, you name it. I just think it's so much quicker. So I'll link those below in case you want to pick some up because they're awesome. But I'm separating the green onion from the whites at the tip. Gonna heat up a little bit of butter, add the whites of the green onions. Let those simmer for a moment. Then I'm gonna add the rest of my thyme. I turn down the heat a little bit, and I'm gonna dump in the couscous. We're just gonna toast that around, and the stock water is now boiling, so I went ahead and added that to it so that it could cook. And once that's done cooking, the veggies should be ready, and then you just plate everything up. So you add the couscous and your baked veggies. I'm adding some sliced almonds on top, some of the green onions, and then you could sprinkle feta. And this has so much flavor. It's absolutely delicious. If you guys want to give HelloFresh a try, I do have a promo code that will save you a bunch of money off your first box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.